Beautiful colors, right? Green, red, blue, yellow, green. Wow.
Mixing this salad can be relaxing. What are the ingredients?
Mangoes, broccoli mix, we just put the broccoli mix into the salad bowl. The broccoli mix is now in the salad bowl. Salad mix. It's supposed to be ready to eat, but I still washed it anyway. So we just do like that. Yeah, something like that. We're putting some blueberries into this salad mix. Oh, it would be good and more nutritious. My beautiful salad. Homemade. Homemade dressing. Salt. Shake, shake. And then let's pour this one here generously. Wow.
It was relaxing to mix this salad. I hope you do the same. So please subscribe. Here's the plate.